Is your forklift ready for a safe day at work? Using eAuditor simplifies the daily safety inspection process. Ensure your equipment is safe and reduce workplace accidents. Start by opening eAuditor on your phone or tablet. This is your first step towards a thorough inspection. Next, create your daily Forklift Safety Inspection Checklist template. Navigate to Templates and tap Create Template. Choose Blank Template to begin. First, add basic information like Forklift ID and location. Record the date and operator's name for reference. Perform a visual check for any visible damage. Ensure forks are straight and tires are in good condition. Verify fluid levels, including hydraulic fluid and engine oil, are correct. Check safety equipment like seatbelts and horns. Ensure lights and warning signals are functioning. Test controls, including steering and brakes, for smooth operation. Confirm lift and tilt controls respond properly. Lastly, check that pathways are clear and the floor condition is safe. If you find damage, add photos in eAuditor for evidence. Write comments about any issues or repairs needed. This documentation helps track and resolve problems. Collect the operator's signature for accountability. Confirm the inspection was completed thoroughly. Open the template in eAuditor and check items thoroughly. Once complete, tap Complete Inspection. Export the report as a PDF for records. Save it as your daily safety inspection record. This ensures a consistent safety routine before operating the forklift. Using eAuditor ensures your forklift is safe before use. This routine reduces the risk of job site accidents. Protect operators, coworkers, and equipment every shift.